Choosing between the Asus Zenbook S16 and the HP Spectre X360 in 2025 is tough. Both are premium, but cater to different needs. We'll break down everything from design to performance. Watch till the end to know which laptop is the ultimate winner for you. I've included links in the description for the latest prices and deals. And please like the video, it helps a ton. The Asus Zenbook S16 and the HP Spectre X360 both aim for a premium aesthetic, though they achieve it through distinct approaches. The Zenbook S16 showcases an ultra-modern design, emphasizing its unique ceraluminum lid. This blend of aluminum and ceramic oxide provides a matte, scratch-resistant finish that feels both luxurious and robust, available in Scandinavian white or Zumaya gray. Its extremely thin profile at just 0.51 inches and lightweight of 3.31 pounds make it remarkably portable for a 16-inch machine, though the special ceramic finish is limited to the lid. In contrast, the HP Spectre X360 maintains HP's characteristic stylish craftsmanship with an all-metal chassis in a minimalist black, offering a slightly gritty texture that, while premium, tends to attract fingerprints. It is a 2-in-1 convertible, allowing for various modes, but at 0.78 inches thick and 4.3 pounds, it is notably thicker and heavier than the Zenbook S16, feeling a bit unwieldy in tablet mode. When it comes to ports, both laptops offer a practical selection despite their slim designs. The Zenbook S16 provides two USB 4 Type-C ports, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A port, an HDMI 2.1 output, a full-size SD card slot, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack, providing a solid set of options, especially for creators who appreciate the full-size SD card reader. Wireless connectivity is advanced with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. The Spectre X360 includes two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, one USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, an HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm audio jack. While comprehensive for most, it notably omits an SD card slot, a potential drawback for photographers and videographers. Its wireless capabilities include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Both offer exceptional display experiences, though with slight differences. The Zenbook S16 features a stunning 16-inch 2880 by 1800 OLED touchscreen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This panel delivers incredibly deep blacks, vibrant colors, and high contrast, making it excellent for content consumption and general productivity. While it supports touch and an included stylus, its clamshell design means using the stylus for extensive drawing might feel a bit awkward. The Spectre also boasts a gorgeous 16-inch OLED display with a 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, along with a 16 by 10 aspect ratio and pen support. It covers 100% sRGB and P3 and 94% Adobe RGB, making it a strong choice for creative professionals. While rated for 500 nits, its real-world peak brightness of 394 nits is still ample for indoor use. In terms of camera and audio, the Spectre takes a notable lead. Its 9-megapixel webcam captures crisp 1440p video, positioning it as one of the best webcams available on a Windows laptop, further enhanced by Windows Studio effects for AI-powered features. The Spectre also impresses with its quad speaker system, delivering punchy, well-balanced sound with a rare and noticeable bass response, making it excellent for media and calls without headphones. The Zenbook S16, on the other hand, comes with a 1080p FHD webcam that provides decent quality for meetings but lacks the advanced AI features or the sheer clarity of the Spectre's camera. Its 6-speaker Harman Kardon setup with Dolby Atmos is nevertheless impressive, offering clear vocals and rich spatial sound that stands out in the 16-inch category. When it comes to input devices, both laptops provide spacious and comfortable experiences. The Zenbook S16 features a full-sized, responsive island-style keyboard that's comfortable for extended typing, complete with a dedicated Microsoft Copilot key. Its standout feature is the oversized 5.9 by 3.7-inch touchpad, which is highly innovative with intuitive gesture controls for volume, brightness, and media scrubbing along its edges. The Spectre X360 also offers a well-spaced, backlit keyboard with a springy and comfortable typing feel, though it lacks a number pad. Its massive haptic touchpad, powered by Elan, is largest haptic touchpad on a 16-inch Windows PC by HP, providing adjustable haptic click intensity, accurate palm rejection, and similar custom gesture sliders to the Zenbook for volume and brightness. For battery life, the Zenbook S16 is a clear champion. It delivers an exceptional 20 hours and 7 minutes in video playback tests, largely due to its efficient 4nm AMD chip, the absence of a discrete GPU, and the OLED panel's pixel-level power control. This makes it an ideal choice for professionals needing extended unplugged use. The HP Spectre, with its 6-cell 83-watt-hour battery, still offers a surprisingly strong endurance for an OLED laptop, lasting 10 hours and 30 minutes in streaming tests. While excellent for a 16-inch OLED, it does not quite reach the marathon levels of the Zenbook S16. The Asus Zenbook S16 features AMD's flagship Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, a 4nm chip with 32 neural engine tiles and 50 TOPS of AI performance. This configuration allows the Zenbook S16 to excel in productivity tasks, multitasking, and AI-enhanced workflows, often outperforming competitors with Intel Core Ultra 9 chips in various benchmarks like PC Mark X and Handbrake. However, it does fall behind Intel systems in multi-core CPU performance tests, such as Cinebench R23. In contrast, the HP Spectre x360 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, a Meteor Lake chip with 16 cores and integrated Intel Arc graphics, also featuring a built-in NPU for AI acceleration. While capable for hybrid performance and solid multitasking, the Spectre x360 tends to underperform in CPU-heavy tasks, often trailing even 13th-gen Core i5 systems in Geekbench 6, PC Mark X, and Cinebench, possibly due to thermal constraints or its 16GB RAM limit. Regarding editing power and gaming, the Zenbook S16's integrated AMD Radeon 890M GPU handles basic photo editing and light creative tasks, but significantly lags behind laptops with discrete GPUs in benchmarks like 3D Mark Time Spy and GFX Bench. This makes it less suitable for demanding tasks like 4K video editing, 3D rendering, or GPU-accelerated software like Adobe Premiere Pro, and it is not considered a gaming machine. The HP Spectre x360, despite being a 2-in-1, incorporates a discrete Nvidia GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. However, its power is limited to a 55-watt TGP, making it one of the slower implementations of this GPU. While it offers a distinct advantage over integrated graphics, allowing for solid photo editing and light 4K video editing, it still falls short of high-wattage gaming laptops and struggles with heavy video rendering, 3D modeling, or advanced VFX work. For gaming, even with the RTX 4050, it performs far below dedicated gaming machines. So, which should you buy in 2025? If you prioritize battery life, portability, and modern design, the Asus Zenbook S16 is the clear winner. But if you need better webcam quality, stronger audio, and a 2-in-1 form factor with discrete graphics, the Spectre x360 is worth considering.